Bullies who laid their hands and beat up a mute and disabled guy inside a bus have something serious coming to them. The disabled and mute guy they beat up is on the early phases of post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, and his parents and loved ones want payback pretty badly. As we hear more from our Noel Talakay.
The culprits must be placed behind bars. This is the goal of the family of Elias Macmac, a person with disability or PWD who was mauled inside a bus on June 9, according to their lawyer, attorney Angelo de Alban. He says that they have already identified some of the suspects based on the shared viral video.
So far, meron na kaming na-identify na 3 at meron pa kaming 2 iniimbestigahan yung kanilang identity kung sino sila. At kapag yan ay aming nakalap na, then ready na kami.
He stresses that the fact that Elias Macmac bite someone inside the bus should not have been reason enough for several people to beat him up, with one of them even using a teaser gun. He also says that it's very obvious in Macmac's physical appearance that he is a PWD.
He cannot express himself, and at the same time, because of his physical physical limitations, maliit yung balingkinita niyang kanyang katawan at hindi rin siya nakakapagsalita.
The complainant's camp is mulling that the case they will actually file.
Ang biktima ay halos nasa 25 years old na, pero bakit child? Kasi under the law, pag merong intellectual or disability yung bata, yung tao, he could still be considered as a child.
The lawyer also insists that the family of Elias Macmac will not agree to any form of settlement and is determined to pursue the case.
Definitely hindi, kasi nakausap ko yung family, hindi sila makikipag-settle because first, there is really an abuse. Second, this is a criminal action.
The brother of Elias Macmac confirms that the incident caused trauma to his brother.
Naging trauma po sa kanya yung pagsakay po ng bus. Ayaw niya na po ayaw niya na pong sumakay dahil may sinasabi siya minsan na bawal na daw po kasi may nambubugbog.
Meanwhile, the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, has already extended assistance to Elias Macmac, such as providing of psychologists and financial assistance under the livelihood program of the agency.
Ang FOD, nag-extend na sila ng cash assistance para doon sa pang-araw-araw nilang pangangailangan. Ngayon, mag-undergo nga po ng psychological evaluation ng bata at ito din makikita kung saan tayo pwedeng pumasok.
The family of Elias Macmac, according to their lawyer, wants to express gratitude to the national government for the help provided to them.
Matulungin ni DOTR Sec Vinson nung isang araw. Ngayon naman si DSWD tumutulong sa pamilya, lalo na sa mga assistance.
According to Attorney De Alban, a child abuse case is a grave offense because it's a criminal case. Once one is found guilty, the suspects might face a sentence of 6 years imprisonment. The family of Elias Macmac wants this incident will serve as a lesson and awareness to the public so that the persons with disabilities can have a freedom to live and have a safe space wherever they go. Noel Talakay from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.